had one report of storm damage. Hate seeing this, but as we zoom in, that was in the Hamlin County area. A large number of trees down, even some houses on top of homes. That's what we saw earlier, and we're going to have more on that coming up at 11. But as of right now, things are pretty quiet. Here's a crossfield view. We can see the sun is shining in that section. Quite the change up, because earlier during the day we had that heavy rain pass through. Crossville is 80, dew point is at 70. A lot of moisture still in place, anomalous amount of moisture, and that will be the trend as we head into Sunday, giving us some more chances for storms. But as of right now, seeing some rain cooled air. Gatlinburg 75, it is 80 in Knoxville and 79 degrees in Athens. So temperature is not too bad. And here's a look at the storm tracker showing, well, quiet conditions. A few light showers in portions of West Sevier County, East Knox County, but besides that, not a whole lot going on. As we pan west, though, the Nashville area, seeing flooding, even some stronger to severe storms. Question is, will that batch of storms make its way east into our area? I think it's going to fizzle out. Here is 6 Predictor showing those storms staying strong before weakening as they enter the Cumberland Plateau. So I do expect some chances for rain later on this evening, but as far as severe weather, not too concerned about that. But remember, we had a lot of rain earlier during the day, so if those rain rates stay high, could see some local flooding issues as we go throughout the evening. Tonight, we should dry out late, lows, lower 70s, and when I say dry out, the humidity isn't going anywhere. So because of that, once again, tomorrow morning could see some patchy fog, maybe even locally dense. So if you are going to be out early Sunday, maybe plan for a few extra minutes on that morning drive, and that will lead to another hot day if we stay dry, because there will be another chance for those storms. If we stay dry, temperatures 90s and heat index values probably feeling more like the mid to upper 90s, maybe even like the triple digits for most. Here is 6 Predictor. During the morning, could see a few showers during the afternoon, though. Probably better chances, especially across the Cumberland Plateau, higher terrain of those Smokies during peak heating, so mid to late afternoon, and then decreasing in coverage and intensity late Sunday evening into the overnight. And just like today, just like the past several days, any storms that do form could produce flooding, and that wind threat will be there too Sunday. Not too concerned about hail or tornadoes, mainly flooding and the damaging wind threat. Still low end, and as we go throughout the week, will that moisture go anywhere? Stays tropical through Friday, potentially. That's a ways away. That could change, but maybe some drier air by the end of this 7-day stretch. But not Monday. Waking up low to mid 70s. Monday, that might be the driest day of the week. Chances for rain pretty limited. Still could see a stray storm, and any storm that does form could have that damage and wind potential and that flood threat. It's really midweek where I think chances for storms go up, and maybe even the dynamics for those stronger to severe storms. We are in northwest flow Tuesday all the way through Friday. Because of that, we're cooling down a little bit, but probably not feeling all that cool because the heat index will still be in the 90s. Daily chances for storms continue as we go throughout next week. I'm looking forward to a break. It's been active weather for the past several weeks.
Yeah, absolutely. I would like to see a little bit less humidity. It would be really nice.
I'm looking forward to fall.
Absolutely. Me too. Well,